How to manage show my connected time on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage show my connected time on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here to go to settings, and now click this one, meeting, and now all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, show my connected time, and if you want to turn it on just click on it, and as you see show my connected time has been turned on, and if you want to turn it off click on it again, and as you see that's how manage show my connected time on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.